Are you aware of how much time we spend on coordination? We sometimes spend half of our day just to ensure coordination. That's why we can delegate this issue to digital assistant to recover this lost time and eliminate coordination problems. We also have an issue tracking example. Let's see how the digital assistant manages the process. There is an issue.
State the priority of issue as high, medium, low.
Medium.
Can you define issue?
There is a crack in concrete wall.
Do you want to add photo?
No.
Please state expected solution for the issue.
Quality check for concrete wall.
I took your suggestion as quality check for concrete wall. Please specify the date to finish the issue.
Next Monday.
I recorded expected finish date as the 15th of October 2018. Please state the location of issue.
Second floor.
Issue recorded to location second floor. Please specify the person issue assigned. You can assign yourself saying your name.
John.
The issue assigned to John Stein. I will notify you when issue updates. In this example, we have seen an issue being registered. We also saw the issue being assigned to a person with just saying his name. The number of that kind of example can be increased, but I hope I could explain our general logic.